Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to reset your Furbo dog camera. Whether you're dealing with connectivity problems or just want a fresh start, resetting is quick and hassle-free. Stick around, and let's walk through the process together. Resetting the Furbo dog camera is necessary when troubleshooting issues like connectivity problems, app syncing errors, or software glitches. It restores the camera to factory settings, allowing you to set it up again for smooth performance and functionality. Now, turn your Furbo dog camera around and locate the small reset button on the back, positioned just above the USB power port. To press it, you'll need a thin object like a pin or a paperclip. This will initiate the reset process effortlessly. With a paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 to 20 seconds. During this time, the status light will change colors, first turning purple and then yellow. This color shift confirms that your Furbo dog camera has been successfully reset and is ready for setup. After resetting your Furbo camera, the status light will remain yellow, indicating that it's ready for a new setup. Open the Furbo app on your smartphone, and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network for seamless monitoring. Once the Furbo is reconnected, test its functionality by accessing the Live View feature in the app. Confirm that you can see your dog clearly. Try tossing a treat and use the two-way audio to interact with your pet. These steps ensure the camera is working perfectly. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experts is ready to help. You can reach them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Furbo dog camera. It's now back to factory settings and ready for use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.